Hello everyone, welcome to Talented Developer. In this Java programming series, we are going to see how to calculate the sum of natural numbers. So before going to the coding section, first of all, we have to understand what is natural number. Then we can go for the calculation of natural number. The natural number will be always starting like a positive number. So definitely it will start from the 1, right? It can go till 2, 3, 4 like that one, right? So you understand what is natural number. All the positive number is called natural number. So it will always start from the 1, right? The basic concept is there. Now suppose someone will be say like, okay, how you can do calculation like sum. So sum means like what we have to do, 1 plus 2 like plus 3, it will go like till plus n, right? You understand? This is called sum of natural number formula. Now imagine someone is saying like, okay, what will be the sum of natural number of 5? So the first approach is like, it will start from the 1, right? So it will go till 5. You understand? It will be definitely start from the 1, then it will go to the 2, then 3, then 4, then lastly it will go to the 5, right? So if I will say like, no, I need to print the sum of natural number of like 20, right? So that means like it will start from 1, then again it will go till 20. So now let's implement this feature in coding section. So first of all, we need to declare like, okay, we need sum of natural number of what? So just come and give like int number equal to 5, right? We have to get the sum of natural number of 5. Now you just understand it, we have to start from the 1. So for that, what we can do, first approach, I am going to use the for loop. After that I will show you in while loop also. So just come, right, in for loop, first position, right? So int I, first position is like a starting point, so it have to start from like 1, right? And it will go till less than or equal to 5. So we have to say like less than equal to 5, or you can give like less than of 6. Now it is going from 1 to 5, like increment in positive manner. So just use I plus plus. Now come and close it. So first of all, what will be happen, it will take the number 1, it will go inside, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Now we need to add all this number. So for that, what we have to do, we have to declare a variable sum. So initially it will be like 0, so it will be hold our all the calculation. Now what will be happen, we just need to do like sum equal to sum plus I, right? So I means it will go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what will be happen, just come and just print the message. I will show you how it will calculate also. So no need to panic, just relax and just print the number like sum, right? Now save and try to run. You can say it is showing 15, right? So just calculate 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So the sum of 1 to 5 will be 15, right? So now what we can do, just come run in debug mode, right? So now you can see currently sum is 0, right? Now what will be happen, it will go inside, right? Now I value is 1, right? So you understand the positive number will be always start from the plus 1, right? So till 1, right? Here 1. Now sum is 0 because we have not crossed this line. Now just come and now you can see I value 1, right? It has been crossed this line, so the sum will be 0 plus 1, right? Next approach, just go here. Now I value is 2, right? So 2 plus 1, it will be 3, right? You can see here 3. Now I will be 3, so 3 plus 3 will be 6, right? Now you can see sum will be 6, right? Now come here, 4, right? I value will be 4, so 4 plus 6, so it will be 10. You can see 10. Now I is 5, right? So 5 plus 10, it will calculate as a 15, right? After that it will not go inside this for loop because we have given maximum here 5 only. It will go out of for loop and it will print whatever we have given here. So if you are having difficulty to understand, so what you can do, just use this out, right? And here you can print the value of I. So you can say like here I, and you can also print the value of sum. Now just run. So first of all, when I value was 1, sum was 1 because 1 plus 0. Next time when 2 was there, then it is showing 3 because 2 plus 1, it is calculated as a 3. Next time 3, right? So 3 and earlier value was 3, so it is showing 6. So now I value was 4, so 6 plus 4, the sum is 10, right? So next time when I value was 5, we have calculated as a 15, right? So you understand how we have done calculation. So before going to any program, first of all, definitely try to break down like how we have to achieve like that one. So in this case also we have done like same thing. So if user is going to give any number, then we have to understand like, okay, what is natural number? Natural number means it will start from the plus 1. So now you have to calculate 1 till whatever the user has given the number. So suppose if I'm going to change the number as a 20, right? Now just run. So you can see it is showing still last value because if you notice here, right, we have given here 5. So what we have to do? We have to use here number, right? So you understand how you can do mistake and try to see your error also. Then you can understand. You can see the sum of natural number of 20 will be 210, right? So this was the first approach using the for loop. Next approach, what you can do, just comment, right? Now we have to use here while, right? And again we are going to do the calculation. So calculation, like earlier we have used I, right? I was like from for loop, so you understand 1 2 3 4 was coming. But how you can achieve here? So for that, what you have to do, you have to just come and declare int I equal to 1, right? So you understand the number have to start from 1. So now what we can say, like here I, it can be either less than or equal to whatever number user is going to pass, right? So first of all 1 will become, right? So 1 is definitely less than 20, so it will go inside here, right? So here what we have to do, here we have to do same approach what we have done, right? But what will be happen if I will run this program right now? You can see it is not printing any sum. Why? Just come and do the debug, right? You can see here I is 1, number is 20, right? You can see here it was keep going inside because when this condition will be not satisfied, then it will go out of that one. So it was keep running. So how you can check here, just come and print the message like this out, right? Like anything like that one. Now you can run. Now you can see our console. You can see it's keep typing, let's keep repeating because it is not satisfied the condition. So how you can satisfy? So what we can do, whenever it will satisfy here, like in this condition, after that what we have to do, we have to just use I plus plus, right? So first time, if you notice in for loop we have done like same thing, I starting from 1 and it was going till here, but we have given like here, okay, increment. So same thing we are doing here. So first of all, when I value is here 1, it is coming, right? And once it will cross this line, right? So after that what will happen? The value of I will be changed as a 2, right? You can see here 2. So it will like 3, 4, 5, it will go till 20. Once it will cross the 20, after that it will break and it will go out of that loop, and after that it will print the total sum of natural number of 20. So you understand how you can achieve the sum of natural number using for loop and using while loop. If this video helped you to understand how to calculate sum of natural number, then please like and give your feedback. Thank you.